Good morning, y'all. We just showed up. We're on the job site. We are going to put these handrails up there, and that's what our job is today. Finish up this job, get out of here, on to the next one. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. We appreciate y'all following us on this project. We just wrapped up all the handrails. The customer was really excited about them. She liked them. As y'all see, that we color matched everything with all the rest of the columns and everything. On that note, we also have sprayed up all of our scaffolding that we picked up. Here's a picture of scaffolding. Sprayed up all of our scaffolding orange, so that way we know what was ours compared to everybody else. Cleaned up, sprayed up, ready to rock and roll. We got to get a little bit of hardware for some of them. But on that note, we're going to go later today. I'm going to take a few, make a little video of our next project that we're getting ready to get the deposit for today, and we're going to get rolling on that one in the next couple days. So make sure y'all stay tuned, subscribe, like, follow, so that way y'all see all of our projects. Southeast Louisiana, custom welding, we travel. Give us a call.